Neha? Neha?
Thank you, madam.
Wait. What is it? What happened?
It's nothing. I have been feeling a bit congested since morning. Even my throat is spinning.
You should take rest then, right? Why did you come to work if you're not well? Go and have medicine.
Thank you, sir.
What is it? At least tell me what work do you have?
I will. I have no work.
Then
But I want to honor you.
me?
You are the only sister-in-law of Neha, right?
Yes, yes.
And I couldn't honor you at the wedding, so I felt very bad. So, this is for you. Open it and see.
This? What is this?
You open and see.
Oh my! Oh, sorry. This sorry is so nice. But aunt, I don't want it. I don't want this sari. Neha will shout at me.
Don't worry. I won't tell Neha.
You won't really say it?
Sure.
Then I will take it for sure. And you are giving it to me with so much closeness and love. Then how can I hurt you? But aunt, shall I say something?
Of course.
You brought me here in a hurry, right? So, my sandal broke. You have servants, right? Please tell them to get a sandal for me. Any kind of footwear will do. Please tell them.
Why not? Sure, sure. Staff?
Stop!
Yes, ma'am.
If we have a sandal of her measurement, then get it here, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, one moment. Look at my sandal. Take this away.
Okay, ma'am.
And listen, get a sandal with nice design. Even heel sandals will do. You use heels. I will also get a heel sandal like that.
You are now related with the Chaudhary family. You have to maintain your status now.
But my sandal broke right now when I was coming here.
But there are many things other than the sandals which determine a person's status. Right?
You're right, but one needs money to fulfill all those needs. Our condition is not so good. So we only know how we survive the month.
Oh my goodness. Really? Your condition is that bad?
Yes. But I don't show it on my face. I'm always laughing and happy. The thing is that why to keep going around telling about our pain to everyone?
Right. We shouldn't show to the world. But what's the problem in sharing with family members?
Family?
Neha.
All right, Neha.
You tell Neha about this. Anyway, she is the boss of Mumbai office now. I'm very sure there will be a vacancy in the branch and you will get some work. In fact, you will get a good salary too.
Salary?
Very good. You will get a good salary. In fact, our company is famous in the business world for this. That we pay good salary.
Can this really happen, Aunt?
Of course, why not? And what did Dad say a while back?
You pay attention towards us too. I mean, me and your brother.
She surely will. Don't worry.
Yes, Grandpa had really said that. I will go right now and talk
No,
to him.
wait.
What?
You will go like this. With a broken sandal. Wait, you do one thing. You can meet her tomorrow. Get dressed really well and then speak to Neha. And I'm very sure your work will be done.
Yes, it will work. But thank you for the sari.
Welcome.
But the sandal is not here yet.
Don't worry. Wait outside on the porch. The staff will get it for you.
Where? Posh?
Yeah. Outside the house.
Outside, totally. It will do. It will. Dad. Aunt. All right, it's fine. But you are doing so much for me. Thank you. Thank you.
Idiot. Idiot. Useless woman. I will cash in on your this greed. You just see.
It's okay.
From where it came through the window?
Yes.
What happened, ma'am?
It's nothing. It was just a cockroach. I just threw it out.
Cockroach?
Yes, then get a pest control done of the entire kitchen.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay?
Even an ant cannot enter this office without a security check. And you are talking about the cockroach?
Now we'll go and tell Christopher now. And the whole kitchen will be clean today.
You are so cruel.
Who, me? I'm cruel.
Then what?
Oh, what cruelty did I do?
Yes, no. Yes, yes.
I'm taking a water bottle, Neha. This cruel man needs water. That's why. Ah. Hey, I love you, water. Love, water.
Listen, Yesh. I was thinking about visiting uncle and aunt after leaving from office.
Yeah,
It's been so many days since I have met them. They would be missing me.
I know. No, in fact, I'll tell the driver to drop Pari there after school. She can also meet them.
Will do.
What are you doing?
What? It's lentils curry.
Hey, how are you making lentils curry like this?
Is it? Then how do I make it?
Neha, whether it's lentils curry or anything else, it has to be made with affection, dedication, and love. I mean, look at the taste. It's not of the food. It's about the love. The dish was made with.
Grandpa,
I don't fear Grandpa.
Grandpa?
Oh, did you understand? About how to hold the spoon. Yes, and the salt has already been added, so that's okay. She would have got burnt, so I was showing to her
Don't
properly.
lie to me.
No, to bring the truth. Actually, I'm here. I was here to drink water, so I showed this to her. So,
I have some important work with Neha. So I had come to the kitchen to talk to her. If your work is done, then...
of course. I'm done speaking this to her.
Neha, I am handing you the responsibility of my second grandson.
Second grandson?
I mean Sameer. What's happening with him? What to do next? If he's still fooling around, then how to convince him? You will do all that. But we have to do that as soon as possible.
Yes, Grandpa.
And teach your husband how to sift the lentils curry. There are old people in the house.
But I was here to drink water.
Sorry.
Pari dear, we are here. You go meet your aunt. I will wait in the car, okay?
Driver uncle, you also come to meet Uncle Bandu?
Pari dear, our car is waiting outside, right? So who will take care of it?
Nothing will happen to the car. You lock the car and come inside.
Pari, I have some work. I will do that and come fast, okay?
Do the work later.
Right, fine. You go inside and give a surprise to aunt. I will do my work fast and come, okay?
Okay.
Go. I have seen you somewhere. I don't remember where, but
Uncle Bandu. He's my driver uncle.
okay. Dear, when did you arrive? Huh?
I just came right now.
Okay. Hey. One moment. Greetings. Greetings. I have seen you somewhere for sure.
He is new.
Okay. No. Come on. You also come in. I will finish my work and come inside. Okay. Dear, do you know how happy aunt will be?
Yes.
Huh? Do you miss uncle and aunt?
I miss you guys every day. Shall I go and give a surprise to Aunt Bandu?
Fine. You go ahead. I will come.
Aunt Bandu! Aunt Bandu! Aunt Bandu!
Hey, my dear kid. How did you come so suddenly? And where are Yash and Neha?
They didn't come.
How did you come so far, that too alone?
Driver uncle dropped me here, Aunt.
Is that so? It seems you came here right from school.
Look at my new uniform.
Wow, it's nice. The tie is also good.
Yes, now we will have to wear a tie. It's new school. Everyone wears a tie only to school.
It seems as if you like the new school.
I liked it a lot. And shall I meet Ojas first and come?
Fine, go. What happened, engineer? That Pari was speaking so much, but where are you lost?
I have really seen Pari's driver somewhere for sure.
Hey, it will be the same driver who came to drop us to our village.
No. It's not him. Hey, I remembered it.
You remembered it? Good. Now I will cook some food.
Hey, one moment. Listen.
I don't have time now.
What is this? He is Neha's. Oh.
Uncle,
Hey, Neha.
how are you?
You will live a very long life. I just spoke about you.
Were you complaining about me to aunt?
What was I talking about? I don't remember it. Yes, we will have our breakfast now. Good that you came.
Forget about breakfast. It's lunchtime now.
Oh.
You came at the right time. Come on, let's sit to eat.
Aunt, I had food from office.
What? You started going to the office?
Yes, aunt. I was here to say that. Grandpa told me to handle the Mumbai branch for some days.
Oh, wow.
Does it mean that you are the boss now?
I don't know about that, but I have to handle the branch now.
I am in awe of you. You are handling the office responsibilities now after completing housework too.
Then what? My daughter is very smart.
Yes, yes. You men are very strange. If your kid does something, then you will keep praising him or her. And if something goes wrong, then mom is responsible.
Have I ever told you this? Huh?
Neha has never made any mistake. In the end, she is my daughter, right?
Wow. Look who is talking. Huh?
Neha? Neha, you are here. I have been looking for you since long. When I called Shefali that time, I found out that you are here to visit uncle and aunt. So, I came here quickly thinking that I will beat you and even both of these guys.
What do you need today?
Yes, I need it.
Tell me, what do you need?
Neha, I want a job in your company. Just give me a normal job in your company. Understood? I will not give you any chance to complain. And I don't even want a big salary from your company either. Pay me less. Anyway, the starting salary at Chaudhary Group of Industry will be around rupees 50,000, right? I will adjust with that.
Sister,
You know about your brother, right? Now, one will need that much money at least to run the household.
but sister, you won't get a job fast. There should be a vacancy in the company too.
Then you should tell them as you are the boss now. There will be vacancy if you say so, right? And you have just become the boss, so your position would be vacant. Hire me over the post and give me a job.
Sister, I'm in a different department and you don't have knowledge about that, and even your education is different.
That's fine, I will learn it.
Sister, look, I cannot give you a job after meeting here. I mean, we have to take your interview for that.
Then take it.
Sister, that won't work out. We will speak about that later.
Look what she's saying, uncle. This Neha now lives in a palace. She is now the boss of a big company, so her tone has completely changed. Neha, how you are talking to me? Uncle, I need a job very much. At least you tell her. Neha, won't you do this much at least for your own people? Yes?
Sister, I really cannot do it.
Why? Would hiring a person become such a big burden on your company? Huh?
I cannot take such decisions. An interview happens for the same. There is a procedure for it. And I tell you, the best person is chosen for the job.
Look, but if there are not many people and the person who comes alone, then he's the best, right? I mean, me, I came alone to you, right?
Sister, we are not in office. Also, this is not the right to discuss a vacancy.
What else? What else? What do you want to say?
Look, sister, I will be upfront. I cannot do that. If I do this, then people will feel that I'm misusing my position and hiring my own people. Look, sister, if you want a job, then I will recommend you with some other company. And also, if you want, then I will help you find a job.
You cannot give me a simple job. Do you even get that? Then why should I even want your recommendation? You know everything about my situation and what is going on in my life, but still you don't want to help me. It is because you are at a senior post of a big company now. Why will you care about your poor sister-in-law? I am feeling very stressed about all this. I will sit outside till my head calms down. I cannot take all this.